With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says identify the incorrect statement. So first statement is that host-specific parasites and hosts have co-evolved. Yes, there have been definite co-evolution of the host-specific parasites and the host. While hosts have different means to get rid of the parasites, so means to get rid of parasite will be different types in different type of host, while even the parasites have different kind of adaptation so as to survive in that particular host. So some of the parasites, for example, endoparasites, tapeworm, that means the phylum Platyhelminths, we can talk about them. Like they have hooks and suckers for clinging onto the wall of the intestine. Then they have high regenerative capacity, they have hermaphrodites, and they have a cuticle over the layer to protect themselves from the acidic conditions of the environment. So this statement which is given here is a correct statement, while the second statement says that in competition R, that is intrinsic rate of natural increase, is decreased in both the competing species. So this is right, because if here we see that the resources in the environment are limited. So both the species, that means there are two competing species, both species are going to compete and they are going to get some of the resources and not full resources. So that means the R here will decrease. R is equal to B minus D, that is birth minus death. So that means birth rate of both will decrease and D, that is death rate, will increase in the presence of another competing species. Suppose if we remove one of the species, the R of the remaining species will increase drastically. So this statement here is a correct statement. Now the third statement, brood parasitism. During the course of evolution, the eggs of the crow have become so similar to the eggs of the cuckoo that the crow will not be able to identify the eggs, its own eggs and the cuckoo eggs. So cuckoo is going to come and lay the eggs in the crow's nest because she herself does not build one, and then she's going to take the babies when the eggs hatch. So this statement is also right. The fourth statement is about the competition again, that introduction of sheep on the Galapagos Island resulted in the extinction of the Abingdon tortoise. Remember, it was not sheep, it was goats. So when the goats were introduced on Galapagos Island, goats had higher browsing efficiency as compared to the Abingdon tortoise, which were slow eaters. So this led to the extinction of the Abingdon tortoise in a matter of a decade. Right? So this statement which is given here is a wrong statement. So we can mark option number 4 as a wrong statement here, because it was the introduction of the goats and not the sheep which was done on the Galapagos Island. So this is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.